Welcome back to Next Gen Drive, where the future of performance meets the passion of driving. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated hypercars of the decade, the 2026 Ferrari F80. This is not just another addition to Ferrari's legacy, it's the bleeding edge of engineering, design, and pure speed. The F80 isn't here to replace legends like the LaFerrari or SF90. It's here to redefine what a road-legal hypercar can be. From the first glance, the exterior of the Ferrari F80 feels like it was born in an F1 wind tunnel. Every curve, crease, and contour is sculpted for purpose. The front end is a low, aggressive spear, framed by a sharp, aerodynamic nose that channels air through the S-duct system and over the body with surgical precision. The black center strip across the bonnet is a subtle but powerful nod to Ferrari's classic 365 GTB, for Daytona, blending heritage with hyper-modern aesthetics. The headlights are razor-thin LED units, seamlessly integrated into the sweeping front arches, giving the car a predatory stare. Down low, the carbon fiber splitter looks less like a styling choice and more like a statement. This is a machine that eats air for breakfast. Moving along the side profile, you can see how Ferrari has split the body visually into an upper painted section and a lower carbon fiber base. This not only looks stunning but serves as a functional airflow channel, reducing drag while keeping the massive side intakes fed with cool air. The proportions are perfectly balanced, long enough to command presence, low enough to look like it could slice through a wall of air without resistance. Even the mirrors have been replaced by camera pods to further cut drag. At the rear, the car transforms into a sculpted masterpiece of downforce. The active rear wing rises and adjusts in real time, working in tandem with the enormous diffuser to keep the F80 pinned to the tarmac. Triple exhaust outlets, framed in carbon, sit high for aerodynamic efficiency, while the full-width LED tail light strip gives a high-tech signature at night. But the beauty of the F80 is not just skin deep. Under that perfectly sculpted body lies a powertrain that feels like it was stolen straight from Ferrari's Le Mans prototype program. At its heart is a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6, delivering a staggering 900 horsepower on its own. But that's just the beginning. The car is paired with 3 in-house developed electric motors, one mounted at the rear and 2 driving the front wheels. Together, they bring the total output to around 1,184 horsepower. This isn't just power, it's instantaneous, surgically precise acceleration. The all-wheel drive setup allows for incredible launch control, rocketing the F80 from 0 to 62 miles per hour in about 2.2 seconds. Push it further, and 200 kilometers per hour comes in under 6 seconds. Keep your foot in, and you're looking at a top speed of roughly 217 miles per hour. What's truly remarkable is the way the F80 blends raw speed with control. Active aerodynamics constantly adjust to conditions, generating over 1,000 kilograms of downforce at 155 miles per hour. This means the car doesn't just go fast in a straight line, it attacks corners with the kind of grip you expect from a race car. The suspension features advanced Multimatic adaptive dampers and even 3D printed components for reduced weight and improved stiffness. The carbon fiber chassis is mated with aluminum subframes and titanium fasteners, keeping the structure feather-light yet incredibly rigid. Braking is handled by next-generation Brembo CCMR Plus carbon ceramic discs, coated in silicon carbide for unmatched stopping power and longevity. This engineering brilliance translates to a driving experience that's both ferocious and precise. The F80 is equipped with multiple drive modes, hybrid for efficiency, performance for balanced dynamics, qualifying for maximum attack, and boost optimization for extracting every ounce of acceleration. In the right mode, throttle response is instantaneous, the electric motors filling every gap in the V6's torque curve. The steering is razor-sharp, feeding every detail of the road back to the driver's hands, while the chassis balance makes the car feel planted even at the edge of its limits. Step inside, and the interior reinforces the car's singular purpose. Ferrari calls it the 1+ seating layout, a cockpit that's focused entirely on the driver, with a fixed, racing-style bucket seat for the pilot and a minimalist, almost token perch for the passenger. Everything in the cabin is designed for focus. The steering wheel houses most of the essential controls, from drive modes to indicators, keeping the driver's hands where they belong. There's no traditional infotainment screen. Instead, a secondary display provides performance data, battery status, and navigation in a clean, distraction-free layout. The materials are pure Ferrari, exposed carbon fiber, Alcantara, and precision-milled metal controls. Even with its extreme nature, the F80 still offers modern driver assist tech like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and automatic emergency braking, a reminder that this is still, technically, a road car. In an era where hypercars are chasing ever more outrageous numbers, the Ferrari F80 stands apart by delivering those numbers with poise, heritage, and cutting-edge technology. It's not just a celebration of speed, it's a showcase of everything Ferrari has learned from decades of Formula One, endurance racing, and road car perfection. Limited to just 799 units worldwide, all spoken for before the public even had a chance to blink, the F80 isn't just a car, it's a statement. A $4 million, 1,184 horsepower, carbon fiber statement that says Ferrari is not slowing down. In fact, they're accelerating into the future faster than anyone else. For those lucky enough to get one, the F80 will be more than a garage queen. It's the kind of car that begs to be driven, to be pushed, to let its hybrid heart and aerodynamic bodywork show what's possible when engineering ambition meets Italian passion. And for the rest of us, it's a reminder that the world of high-performance cars is far from done surprising us. The Ferrari F80 doesn't just push the boundaries, it redraws them.